Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. Today we are going to compare between Airtable and Monday.com. So both are called work OS tools. This means they help you to organize, plan and manage work. They look similar sometimes, but they are different in many ways. In this video, I will explain what each one does, what's new this year and which one may be better for you. But before we start, please check the description below. I put the official link for Airtable and Monday.com and you can get some updated information if anything changes later. So let's get started with Airtable. Airtable is like a spreadsheet but smarter. You can make tables, but you can also attach files, add checkboxes, use drop down and link records between tables. In this time, Airtable added more automation templates and better AI tools. The AI can help you to summarize text in a cell or even write the short content based on your data. Airtable is a great tool for the people who like flexibility. You can make it a CRM, a project tracker, or an inventory system, or almost anything you can imagine. Now, Monday.com is more like a visual project board. It has colorful columns and rows. You can switch the views to calendar, timeline and chart. And in this time, Monday.com is improved their dashboard, and also they improved the widget and they also improved the automation and speeds. It also added better integrations with tools like Slack, Google Drive and Zoom. Monday.com is great for teams who like to see progress in a visual way and have everything in one dashboard. So what is the difference? Airtable is like a database you can shape in many ways. It gives you a lot of control, but it can feel too open for people who want a structure from the start. Monday.com is more structured. You can get ready-made boards and templates that are easy to use right away. But it's less flexible than Airtable for very custom systems. And nowadays, both tools are strong. Airtable is best if you want to build a custom system for your work, and Monday.com is best if you want to start fast with visual boards and built-in templates. Some teams even use both, Airtable for sorting data, Monday.com for tracking the task visually. So yeah, which one is better? It depends on how you like to work. So if you want flexibility and customization, then go with Airtable. And if you want visualization and the structure, then go with Monday.com. So that was the video for today. I hope now you understand the difference between Monday.com and Airtable. And if you found this video helpful, then please like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.